Kason, what are we doing?
Making a movie.
How are we going to do that?
By putting the pictures on the screen.
Okay, so we're going to do them one picture at a time. And then when we put them together real fast, what does it look like?
Movie.
It looks like a movie, okay.
Okay, what we're going to do here is take a look at using Monkeyjam. It's a free download off the internet, originally made just for basic frame-by-frame animation. What we're going to do is open up a new exposure sheet here. We'll just rename that. And this will be the layer where we're going to take pictures one at a time of little toys and in front of a little background that my son has made, just to show you how easy this can be even for kids. Okay, so if you look on the left hand side, you can see where the exposure sheet is, and now we're going to go try and find the camera that we have plugged in. Now you can use a video camera or you can use a webcam, and it might take it a second to find it here. Sometimes it has to be turned off and back on to find it. So on the left hand side you can change the settings from a normal camera or to stop motion, which is what we're going to do. Let me turn my camera off and on here, see if we can find it. Okay, that should do it. Now we're going to click on this again and see if we can find the camera. And there it is. Okay, so now that we have our camera feeding in, now you get a little preview window, and this is the scenery that my son has done. He went through and designed this. And so what we'll do is we'll take some pictures just by clicking on capture. And each time we click capture, that takes a picture, and it's going to put them in a linear order, just one by one. So if we take several of these and start to bring in a toy a little bit at a time, when we get done with it, it'll look like the toy's actually moving. So pretty simple here. It's just asking me if I want to overwrite the old ones I did. Sure, so put a dinosaur toy in here. Make sure he comes in just a little bit, take another picture. Okay. Maybe move him in just a little more. Let's see here. I'm having a problem with my mouse, but that's okay. And again, Monkeyjam is free. That's one of the reasons that I wanted to try it out. Move them up one more, and you'd keep doing this here. And so what you'll do now is take a look at the options at the top. We're going to click on this that says Preview, and that'll have us take a look at what we've done so far. Okay, that looks okay. So now what we'll do is we'll click on this last icon up here. Looks like a little movie reel, and that will render it and put it into AVI form, which is what we want. So now that we have it in AVI, we can drop it into any other program like Windows Movie Maker, iMovie, Adobe Premiere, Final Cut, anything, and do some more work titles and things like that. And that'll help us see what it is that we've got here. So this is how it turned out after we put it all together.